Hello guys, today we will be going over problem 13.9 from Senegage's 9th edition Principles of Geotechnical Engineering. Okay, so the problem states, assume that the retaining wall shown in figure below is frictionless. Determine the Rankine active force per unit length of the wall, the variation of active earth pressure with depth, and the location of the resultant. Alright, so all these variables in this figure are defined here in this table. So for 13.9, we have a height is equal to 29 feet. The angle of friction is equal to 34 degrees. And the unit weight is equal to 119 pounds per cubic feet. Okay, so the Rankine active force is given by the equation. So the Rankine force, Ka, is equal to tangent squared of 45 minus the angle of friction over 2. All right, so this is just a simple plug and chug. So you got tangent squared 45 minus 34 divided by 2, and that's going to give you 0.28. So that's the answer for that part. All right, so next let's solve for pressure. The equation for that is given as, so the sigma A is equal to the Rankine active force times the unit weight times the height. All right, so another plug and chug, 0.28 times 119 times 29. That's going to give you 975.65 PSF. Right? Yeah, and that's the answer for that part. All right, now let's find the location of the resultant. So whenever soil acts on a retaining wall, that is going to create a triangular distribution. So let's just visualize this. So let me pick this color. This is our retaining wall right here. That means we're going to have a soil distribution acting like this. Oops. Triangular. Okay, and the resultant force is always going to act at the centroid of the distribution. So, for example, if we had a normal or a uniform distribution load, the resultant is going to act at the center of that because that's where the centroid is. All right, so let's just erase this real quick. All right, for a triangle, the centroid is located 1/3 of the way up above the base. So it's going to be like right about there, right? So the location, well, you just take 1/3 of the height, which is 29. So 1/3 times 29. That's going to give you, I think I have this punched out, 9.67 feet. And we're done with the problem.